Thank you. Please be seated. Mr. Foreperson, has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, sir.
Could you please hand the verdict forms to Mr. the bailiff? Thank you. Mr. Hildabrand, will you please rise? In the matter of the State of Alaska versus Zarrius Hildabrand, we, the jury, find the defendant Zarrius Hildabrand not guilty of murder in the first degree as charged in count 1. We, the jury, find the defendant Zarrius Hildabrand guilty of a lesser included offense of murder in the second degree as charged in count 1. We, the jury, find the defendant Zarrius Hildabrand guilty of murder in the second degree as charged in count 2. We, the jury, find the defendant Zarrius Hildabrand guilty of tampering with physical evidence as charged in count 3. We, the jury, find the defendant Zarrius Hildabrand guilty of tampering with physical evidence as charged in count 4. Thank you. Does either party wish to have the jury polled?
No. No, Judge.
All right, thank you. I want to thank all of you for your service. This has been a long trial, a difficult trial in many ways. As I think I've noted before, you all were actively participating. I would keep an eye on you to make sure that everyone's still engaged. And I know that this is a long process, a difficult process, and you all took it very seriously. And we're active participants, and I appreciate that. I want to thank you on behalf of the court system and the state for your service. You are all excused at this point. Often the attorneys like an opportunity to chat with you if you're willing to stick around. You do not need to stick around. You're not obligated to do that at all. But if you want to, they may come down and chat with you if you're willing to stick around. I will come down and thank you again and then ask for any feedback that you have for how we can make things work smoother for you. But again, you don't have to stick around for that. So you've all completed your service. You're free to discuss the case at this point. And thank you very much. You're excused. Thank you. Please be seated. As the parties understand, sentencing is put out sometime for a pre-sentence report. I have two potential dates, October 20th at 2 p.m. or October 23rd at 10 a.m. October 20th at 2 p.m. or October 23rd at 10 a.m. And those dates, it doesn't matter that much at this point what date we pick. If it doesn't work, just contact Chambers and we can make sure that it's a date that works for everybody. Is there a preference between those two dates at this point?
Yes.
And what is that preference?
I think that we will probably need some time for this. For the sentencing, a significant portion time of October 23rd.
Let me take a look if I have anything at this point. I don't think I have a date certain trial at that point, but let me.
The 23rd is a Friday. Yes.
Right. So if we start at 10, does that work? And I can block off, what, 4-hour chunk? 2 hours?
I don't know that 4 will be sufficient, Judge. I imagine there will be a lot of statements in this case.
I don't think we need 4 hours, but I'll defer to the court.
I'll block off the day. I always love desk time when I have a chance to do some work, and so if it unless something, today we'll start at 10 o'clock and we'll take as long as we need. Does that work?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And again, if those dates end up not working for people as we get closer to it, just contact Chambers and we'll work on picking a new date. Anything else today? Do either parties intend to go chat with the jurors?
I always like to hear from them, if anybody's stuck around.
I guess so, yeah.
Ms. Brewster, I couldn't hear you.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. I'm going to run down there and thank them again, and then I'll get out of your way, and you folks can come down and chat. Thank you all. Off record.